There is one wireless motion detector in every TAURUS 03 plug-and-play alarm system basic package. The wireless motion detector in the TAURUS 03 plug-and-play alarm system basic package has already been programmed in the control panel. The wireless motion detector registers movement of people up to 8 meters away with 110 degrees of coverage. It is suitable for use indoors. The motion detector is pet immune. Pets less than 25 kilograms will not be detected. We recommend using one wireless motion detector in every room with openings such as doors and windows. The wireless motion detector has to be attached to the mounting fixture. The ideal mounting height of the motion detector is 2 meters from the floor. You can find out more detailed information, including instructions on programming additional wireless motion detectors in the control panel, in the accompanying instruction manual. It is possible to program up to 50 wireless sensors, 10 wireless remote controls, and 50 RFID chips in the control panel. TAURUS, always on the safe side.